For today, you will need your Foundation Unit 1 Fractions and Percentages workbook, and you are going to turn to Simplifying Fractions. We're going to look at simplifying fractions. So I'm starting off with 35 over 56, and I can see that I've written that it's equivalent to 5/8, and this is simplified. Now I know that the highest common factor of 35 and 56 is 7. So if I divide 35 by 7 and 56 by 7, I end up with 5 over 8. So similarly to equivalent fractions, I am dividing the top and the bottom by the same amount. So it's still equivalent because we know that 7 over 7 is equal to 1. Now we're going to do this one together. 6 over 20 is equivalent to, so I'm going to look at 6 and 20, and I'm going to work out what the highest common factor is. Well, I know that 6 has 1, 2, 3, and 6, and 20 has 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So the highest common factor in this case is 2. I'm going to divide by 2 and divide by 2. I end up with 3/10. Pause the video, have a go at the next one. Right, thinking about the factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, and 6. 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So my highest common factor is 6, which means I'm going to get 1 over 3. Simplified. Now, 3 questions to consider. How did I decide what to divide by? Must I divide by the highest common factor? And what's an easy way to check if you can divide by these numbers? So I decided what to divide by looking for the highest common factor. Must you divide by the highest common factor? Well, you don't have to. You can divide by any common factor. You'll just have to do more than one division to get to the simplest form, so where you can't divide anymore. So no, but you will have to do more steps. Okay, some easy checks for divisibility. 2's, hopefully we all know that if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, we can divide by 2. If it ends in 0 or 5, we can divide by 5. If it ends in 0, we can divide by 10. 3 is a little bit trickier, but if we add the digits and we get something in the 3 times table, so 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on, then it divides by 3. So an example would be if I had 525, if I do 5, add 2, add 5, I get 12. So I can divide 525 by 3. Okay, make sure you have the notes copied up, and then you are going to try the following exercise. Now check your work. If you've got any corrections, make sure you write them in. Make sure you understand where you went wrong. And if you need more practice, follow the link for the MathsWatch clip.